I used to suck. S-U-C, single-use cup suck. But I just didn't want that to be me anymore. So I decided to simplify, trim the fat, only use things that bring me joy. And it all culminated with finding Hitch. Hitch is a full-size stainless steel insulated water bottle that comes with its very own beautiful barista approved. Oh, no, you don't, Jerry.
What the?
No more sucks for you. Let's go. Don't judge me. They all end up here anyway. Did you know that those paper cups are virtually impossible to recycle? That's because of the plastic lining inside, which means we're throwing away over 300 billion, yeah, with a B, of those every year. So, to truly unsuck yourself, you need a reusable cup on top of your water bottle, on top of everything else we're supposed to carry. Where does it all go? Well, we've seen these methods. You got the cluster fail, the halfback, the Captain Hook, and the slow poke. And let's be honest, those reusable cups are so easy to forget at home, like the leftovers you thought you were gonna have for lunch. And the collapsible cups are convenient to carry until they need to carry your drink. Hi.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'd like a double half-cap baby llama's milk frap hemp chia with 2 pumps of unicorn sprinkles.
Okay, would you like to add sweetener to that?
Oh, no thanks, nothing complicated.
Okay, for here or to go?
To go, but I brought my own cup. Remember? And there's its tiny home, minimalism.
This one's on the house.
Thank you. Oh, ready to get your mind blown? Hitch also has a leak-proof lid for your luscious liquid right on the top, so no more spills on your fancy pants. Uh-oh. And when you need a free hand, Hitch has a locking cup holder right on top. Ah. Hitch's patent-pending design means that both your cup and your water bottle are double-wall insulated, stainless steel, and BPA-free. And when you're done, just snap the cup back into place with one click. By the way, Hitch is the perfect size for most cup holders. Now that's satisfying. I love not owning things. Jerry, what did I tell you? Ah, now you know how the earth feels, Jerry. Landfills, Jerry. It's time to quit the suck and simplify your life with Hitch, the beautiful reusable bottle with a removable barista-approved cup that's always with you.
Hello, Angel Face.
We're closed.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Super ultra hyper foldable. Introducing the world's first origami bottle. That's not made out of paper. Actually, it's not just a reusable bottle. It's a design technology that opens up a new way of thinking. Imagine a world where packaging never becomes waste. It's simply reusable and collapsible by default. Now imagine yourself taking the first step towards this world. What do you need to do? Just refill and catch your train. Or catch a tan. Go see your favorite bands. Or just go anywhere. And simply find your inner peace while folding it. Okay, but what makes the origami bottle so unique? There's no other collapsible bottle that's as stable when unfolded. Even those 2 randomly picked adults couldn't smash it. It's also food safe, BPA free. And because we left the creases on the outside, the inside surface is smooth and very easy to clean. What about the materials? It's made of stainless steel cap and a special type of polymer. Not this one. This one. Bio-based, high-performance, thermoplastic, lightweight, odorless, hygienic polymer. Or as we call it for short, BBHPTLOHP. It's a very durable thermoplastic elastomer that can be recycled almost endlessly. So, why should you care?
In the last months, we've had time to reflect on our life and the world. Yes, everything is more uncertain than ever, but at the same time, we have the possibility to make things better. We've spent 2 years in the development of the most reliable and safe collapsible bottle, and now it's time that it gets into your hands.
Actually, we developed a new technology that can work with different collapsible patterns, and we can develop many more space-saving reusable solutions.
The origami bottle is a Kickstarter of a bigger reuse refold revolution, and our bigger mission is to redefine the packaging industry. Now we need your support, and we invite you to join us to make it happen.
I've always had a sincere appreciation for the ocean, so when insulated water bottles emerged to the market, I was honestly stoked. It was a small way to give back and protect the thing that practically raised me. However, after a few months of using my water bottle, I began to notice this odor, and no matter how many times I washed it, I couldn't get rid of this smell, and being somewhat of a germaphobe, I wanted to know why. So I teamed up with some scientists and engineers at my university, and I discovered that the average water bottle has more growing bacteria colonies than your average dog toy. All of this led me to develop Luma. Luma is an insulated water bottle that uses digital UVC light to kill 99% of bacteria in your water and in your bottle. So this means no more nasty after smell and great tasting water no matter where you are. Our UVC light rests in the bottom portion of the bottle, so by always being in contact with your water, the UVC light is able to kill bacteria more effectively, so you can always be confident that your water and bottle are being kept clean. Using the Luma bottle is easy. You just fill it up and press the button, and in 60 seconds you will have a clean bottle and fresh water. Plus, Luma Bottle's battery is rechargeable and lasts up to 2 months on a single charge. With functioning prototypes and manufacturing ready to go, we need funding to put this bottle into production so we can distribute it to you. Help us make Luma Bottle a reality so that we can make clean water available to everyone while continuing to protect the earth.
During workouts, I realized something. The fitness world has evolved to produce performance-driven, stylish athletic equipment in every area except one: the protein shaker. While progress has been made, people are still using their old, smelly, plastic protein shakers, a design that hasn't changed since the 90s. We knew we could create something better. Bold Bottle strikes the perfect balance between performance and style. After hundreds of surveys, countless interviews, and over 2 years of design and prototyping, you can now own a product that looks better, performs better, and is built to last. So why are we settling for faulty traditional shakers? The foul odors permanently trapped in your shaker can make it unusable and leads to the disposal and waste of so many plastic bottles. What's worse is that the odor is caused by harmful bacteria building up and sticking to the inside of your bottle. Bold is the world's first shaker using 100% kitchen-grade stainless steel in the lid, mixer, and bottle to prevent odor and bacteria buildup. The attachable storage compartment is great for your protein, supplements, snacks, or whatever else you need. On top of that, we know how annoying the loud shakers are, so we're introducing our silent system shaker. No moving parts, easy to clean, and best of all, no sound. Our bottle is double-walled and vacuum insulated to keep your beverage cold for up to 15 hours. Even on the hottest of days, your drink will stay cool and enjoyable. We wanted to make sure your bottle never leaks. With a food-grade silicone cap that provides a tighter seal and a visual indicator lets you know when your bottle is closed, this shaker will stay sealed on the move or in your gym bag. Finally, we were tired of the old plastic bottles and knew the protein shaker deserved a serious upgrade. With inspiration from modern design, we thoughtfully crafted every line and contour of the Bold Bottle. Humble yet uncompromising, the Bold Bottle delivers on every occasion. So back us today and help launch the protein shaker into the future.